WhatsApp is getting new texting feature option starting today in order to make the chatting experience much better. Before now, you could already do bold, italic, strike-through and monospace, but these additions open up a whole new world of opportunities with bulleted list, numbered list, block quotes and inline code formatting available on Android, iOS, web and Mac. They were previously in testing. The image above shows breaks down what's new. The first four with the green background and how to use the new imaging format. They are all very easy to summon, and when the need arises, as you can see, for a bullet list, you can just place the symbol before your text followed by a space and then keep adding more items to the list by rinsing and repeating. The same goes for numbered list, except for in this case add a number followed by the period and a space. For block quotes, all you need to use is a greater than symbol followed by space, and what comes next will be the block update. Finally, if you want to enter inline code, just wrap the text with and you can do it. Do we need it? No idea, but it's good to have more and more features now.